World News 24.
Oil prices soar over $100 a barrel. The price for a barrel of Brent crude has jumped to $108.77, marking the biggest daily gain since the start of the pandemic in 2020, and on top of a 28% rise last week. The surge comes as the U.S. and Israel's war on Iran continues, and traffic through the vital Strait of Hormuz remains at a near halt, with Iranian forces attacking ships that dare to pass through. The global economy remains dependent on the concentrated flow of Mideast oil and natural gas through the Strait of Hormuz, said Bruce Kasman, chief economist at J.P. Morgan. The near-term scenario is a near-term spike towards $120 per barrel, followed by moderation as the conflict soon subsides, he told the Reuters news agency. But absent a clear and decisive political resolution, Brent crude oil prices are expected to settle at an elevated $80 per barrel through mid-year. According to Kasman, such an outcome could cut global economic growth by an annualized 0.6% for the first half of this year and push consumer prices up by 1%. He warned that if the conflict widens and drags on, oil prices could surge past $120 a barrel, potentially tipping the world into recession. Asian shares slide as price of oil surges. Japan's benchmark Nikkei 225 index has plunged more than 6% after oil prices soared to over $100 a barrel due to disruptions from the war in the Middle East. The Nikkei was down 6.3% at 52,166.92 shortly after trading began this morning. South Korea's Kospi sank 6.3%, and shares in Australia and New Zealand fell more than 3%. The futures for the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average sank 1.9%.